Welcome to my vet presentation. I'm Lindley Coots. I'm the vet coordinator at Cranbourne Secondary College. This is just to give you some more information about what vet is. Vet is the same as TAFE in respect to it is a TAFE course. It's just done while you're actually at school, and you can do it when you're studying VCE or VCAL. Vet certificates come in different stages. We start at Cert 2 usually, even though we do offer it to Year 10s. It's at a Cert 2 level and it's parts of a few different courses. And then you go into Year 11 and 12, studying either the second year of a Cert 2 or a Cert 3. Cert 4s are usually done after you finish school. Vet can be studied in a VCE course and be scored the same as ATAR scores, so it can contribute towards your ATAR score. Students can study an SBAT, which is like a school-based apprenticeship, while they're actually at school. So you're starting your apprenticeship while you're at school. Some students already do those type of courses while they're actually doing their part-time job. Like when you work at McDonald's or Jayco, places like that, you're actually studying it while you're doing your part-time job, which is a bonus because you're getting paid. If you study a VCAL program, vet is part of that. So you have a 5-day program, 3 days of school, 1 day of vet and 1 day of work placement. You need to do all of those things to be successful in a year of VCAL. Our college run vet programs inside the school on a Tuesday. We run, at this present stage, engineering, building, vet IT, hospitality, sport rec, and possibly dance next year. We also will be studying vet furniture making. So that's available to VCE and VCAL students. Year 10 students are offered a taster program, and some Year 10s who apply for one of those courses can study a full vet course. Students in Year 10 are offered a taster course with a few different options. These are subject to change at the moment as we're working with the TAFE to get some more options for students. There is a cost which includes a bus to the TAFE. So when you are considering whether you wanted to study a vet course in Year 10, please be mindful that there is a cost for the materials and also to get yourself to TAFE. So that's something to consider if you do want to choose a vet course. VCAL students are offered a wide range of courses and they are at different venues around the area. There's a list of quite a few of them at the end of this slideshow and a separate presentation from Chisholm regarding the courses that they offer. Please be mindful that there are often courses that run later in the evenings. A vet course is a really big advantage because when you leave school at the end of VCE or VCAL, you have your VCE or VCAL certificate and a vet certificate, which is a TAFE certificate. It can increase your ATAR score, can be used for part-time work outside of school while you are at uni, or it can also save you quite a bit of time when you start doing a TAFE course because you've already started studying prior to the TAFE course, and obviously you can start earning money straight away. Students choosing a vet class need to be mindful that it is for the whole year and you do need to commit for the whole year. It's not a subject that you can change halfway through the year. It's a course that is an adult learning environment, so there's increased responsibility. You often travel by yourself to the venue and use public transport and make your own way home afterwards. In Year 10 and VCE, vet is not compulsory. In VCAL, vet is actually compulsory. So students in Year 10 and VCE do not need to choose a vet program unless they wish. All vet courses come with a material cost, so that is something to take into consideration. The USI number is a number that follows you through for the rest of your life. All of your courses get registered against that, so you've got a record of everything that you've done. We will require some form of identification for you to create one. which would be a copy of your driver's licence, learner's permit, Medicare card, birth certificate or passport. So we'll be asking for one of those when you choose a vet course. If you have any more questions, please call the college and speak to me, Mrs. Coots. Thank you very much for your time. The last slide is the Salon courses, and please take time to look at the Chisholm presentation that is going to be also on the website separately to this presentation. Thank you.